Here's a look at your market recap on this Tuesday, the 24th day of September. Take a look at a few of the auction barns around the state today. Unionville Livestock Market, they're not going to end up with quite as many as they expected today, about 850 head in that offering. Had 5 loads of those Reputation Rockin' R steers weighing 875 to 900 pounds. They sold from $249.85 to $252.75. That'd be about $2 higher than the loads that they sold exactly a month ago. At Kingsville Livestock Market, in their early listings, they were expecting to have about 2,000 head. We saw 215 head of heifers selling in one drop of the gavel today, 709 pounds, $249.85. At F&T Livestock Market, they had a full load of 833-pound heifers sell at $234.50. They were marked as medium and large 1s and 2s. West Plains, expecting a light run there today due to heavy rains in that area and some localized flash flooding. At the start of the sale, they were expecting maybe about 1,500 head today, including in the offering there this morning, early sales, 14 head of 522-pound steers that brought $302.50. Box beef cutout values, choice closed the day at $301.89, up 8 cents. Select at $286.87, down 92 cents. Those values based on a volume of 140 loads of cuts, trimmings, and grinds today, and that choice select spread has climbed to $15.02. Negotiated feedlot trade as of the 2 o'clock cutoff today. Sales still very limited in all the feeding regions, not really enough to test the market anywhere. Just a few live sales report at $184.50, but again, that's on very light volume so far this week. Taking a look at the closing futures markets, live cattle for October, $183.20, down a nickel. The rest of the contracts, all 50 to 57 cents higher. December, $184.40. Feeder cattle, September, 15 cents lower, $244.95. October closed up $1.32 at $245.80. The rest of the contracts, 22 to 65 higher. Lean hogs for October, 17 lower, $82.12. December, a dime higher, $74.97. The next 2 months out to April of 25, both 30 cents higher. Taking a look at some of the cash grain bids paid to producers around the state. The trends today, soybeans were 17 lower to 14 higher. Wheat down a nickel. Corn 2 lower to 8 higher. Corn bids at the elevators in the St. Louis region, $378. Kansas City, $366 to $386. Soybean bids in the St. Louis region, $10.22 to $10.32. Kansas City at $9.82 to $10.17. And wheat in St. Louis, $4.73 to $4.78. On the Board of Trade, corn contracts, December down 1 3/4, $4.11 3/4. March at $4.30 3/4, down a penny. Soybeans for November up 3, $10.42 1/4. January at $10.60 1/2, up 3 3/4. Wheat contracts, December 4 1/2 lower, $5.78. March at $5.97 1/4, down 4. With the Missouri Department of Agriculture, that's a recap of your markets for Tuesday. This is Tony Hancock.